What's up, ladies? Welcome back to With Wit. My name is Whitney, and apparently I am one of God's favorites because I can do my own hair. Now, I didn't say it. The girlies over on Thread said it.
You know what? Hell yeah.
Because I can do my own hair, and I actually take much pride in being able to do my own hair. Now, am I God's favorite for real? No, of course not. But I do feel blessed to have a skill set that allows me to do my hair at home and still feel really confident walking out the door. For today, I am doing a variation of a half up, half down, and you gotta be proud of me for real, because if you know me, you know I give the same 3 hairstyles all the time. You're gonna get a middle part from me, you're gonna get a classic half up, half down from me, and maybe like 20% of the time you'll get a side part from me. But I was thinking to myself, how can I say I'm a hair girl and I'm not giving the girls hair? You gotta give texture, you gotta give color, you gotta give length, you gotta give different styles. And low-key, I had FOMO. I would see all these fun fly hairstyles on Instagram, like, oh my god, that's so cute, oh I love how they did that, and then never do it on myself. Like, girl, you can do your hair yourself, so please give us something else. So here we are today. We're doing a variation of a half up, half down. The inspiration picture that I saw, she was using straight hair, but it's still a little warm here in Texas, and I just don't want to have to tussle with straight hair because any amount of moisture in the air, the hair is going to want to suck it up and it's going to end up swelling and being frizzy. So I'm not ready for Texas is not ready for straight hair just yet, so I opted to use curly hair instead. I am going to be reusing the same curly hair that I used in my previous video, which was the curly flip over video. If you haven't seen that, make sure you go check it out. But because that was a quick weave, I was able to literally just cut a few knots out to get the thread out, and then the whole thing came off in one big piece. And then I started thinking this could be useful because I won't have to do so much cutting and gluing. I can just cut this piece down to size for what I need for this style and save myself some time. So that's exactly what I did. And guess what, girls, after I'm done with this hairstyle, I'm going to be reusing the same bundles again because look how pretty it is. The curls are still so juicy, so shiny, so defined, and overall she has a lot of life left. So it is glued in a certain way, but I will 100% be reusing this, finding a way to reuse it. If not, it's going to go in one of my boxes until I'm ready to reuse it. That is the power of raw hair, my girls. Raw hair is a little bit more expensive. It's more of an investment than what you would see on like Amazon or Temu, but when I say the return is so worth it. I am obsessed with raw hair. I love raw hair. I swear I haven't bought a beauty supply piece of hair in probably like 10 years. In about 10 years, and it's because I discovered raw hair and we go together real bad at this point. Any raw hair that I've had, I've never had to throw it away because it's dried out or because it's matted or because it's tangled. The only time that I have to throw my raw hair out is because I've either chopped it up too short, like it's now a bob and I don't plan on using it again, or I've chopped it into too many pieces and now I just don't want to deal with the little pieces. That's literally the only time that I've had to throw raw hair away, y'all. So it is such an investment because I know that wig on Amazon says 100% human hair, but I know it's not. You know it's not. So don't do that no more, friend. Inevitably you're going to be having to replace that wig in like another 5 weeks. So why not just invest in really good bundles? That way you can switch the style up whenever you get ready and you're able to reuse the hair again. If you're interested in my hair, you can head to bigrichhair.com. I am wearing the curly texture, but there is some wavy hair over there as well. If you've been on the fence about trying raw hair and maybe a little bit afraid of the price, now is the time to get it because there is a promo code for 25% off, which I'll drop below. It does only apply to the curly hair, which is what I'm using in this video. So now's your chance to get it if you ever wanted to explore it and kind of minimize the risk about it. I do realize I don't have a ton of social proof, but y'all, just trust me on this. Just trust me on this. The hair is beautiful. You're gonna love it. It will arrive to you washed and conditioned and ready to go. So all you'll have to do is install it yourself or take it to your hairstylist and let them install it for you. What you see when you open the box is going to be exactly what you get over the lifestyle of the hair. So Anyway, you girlies, let me know how I did on my hair. I feel so proud of myself for like stepping out of my comfort zone and doing something a little bit different. I did keep looking at my bangs like, wait, am I sure these bangs have a place for this style? I don't know, y'all, but you let me know. Should I have left the bangs? Should I have put them up? Should I have cut them shorter? I also considered doing like a little fringe bang, but yeah, I ended up leaving it exactly how you see it right now. So y'all let me know how it turned out. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.